Okay, so this is my Mark 7.5 Golf R grill, and I put some bridging LEDs across. So I'm gonna turn this on. Give me a second here. It's a little bright, but that should bridge the left and right GRLs from the car. And then also, when turn signals are activated, there will be animated sequence like this on each side. So that's one side, and then I'll do the other side as well. Yeah. And then together, if they're like, let's say, unlocking the car or maybe hazards or something like that, then both of them would probably go together. Let's see what that looks like. A little off time. That's funny. I put them at different times, so that didn't work out so well. Let me try again. This time I'm putting them together for real. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Hope it looks good on the car. Hope the temperature matches, and then when you let off, yeah, this will be fun.